Hi, and this is how you make easy fried rice. To begin, we beat 2 eggs. Now, we lightly spray the frying pan with vegetable oil. It's time to put the beaten eggs inside the frying pan. We can now scramble. Save the eggs for later. Now, add sesame oil. Also add frozen corn. Add frozen peas and frozen carrots. Now, add the cooked rice. Now add a dash of salt and white pepper for taste. And also add low sodium soy sauce. Now add scrambled eggs. Now it's time to enjoy.